Wiring for remote controller. Open the cover of remote controller entry hole in from the generator door. Insert the connect X2 of remote controller into the hole. Join the X2 with the same number connector properly to adjust the cable length inside the electric cabinet. Fix the cable by cable clamp on the cable rack. Lock the cover of remote controller entry hole. Wiring for keyboard and mouse. Temporarily, take out the ferry cord from cable of keyboard and mouse. Insert USB connector through the hole in front of the keyboard bracket, then enter to cabinet via the hole in front door. Reinstall ferry cords to cables of keyboard and mouse. 3/10 the cables in ferry cord is needed. Insert USB connectors to IPC.